Hi, I'm Brian S. Mahoney of BrianSMahoneyOnline.com. What heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers do? Heating, air conditioning, and refrigerator mechanics and installers, often called HVACR technicians, work on heating, ventilation, cooling, and refrigeration systems that control the temperature and air quality in buildings. Their work environment. HVAC-R technicians work in residential homes, schools, hospitals, office buildings, or factories. Their work sites may be very hot or cold because the heating and cooling systems they must repair may not be working, and because some parts of these systems are located outdoors. Irregular hours and working in cramped spaces are common. How to become a heating, air conditioning, or refrigeration mechanic and installer. Because HVAC-R systems are increasingly complex, employers generally prefer applicants with a post-secondary education or those who have completed an apprenticeship. Some states and localities require technicians to be licensed. The pay. The median annual wage for heating, air conditioning, and refrigerator mechanics and installers was $43,640 in May of 2012. The job outlook. Employment of heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers is projected to grow 21% from 2015 to 2022, faster than the average for all occupations. Candidates familiar with computers and electronics and those with good troubleshooting skills will have the best job opportunities as employers continue to have difficulty finding qualified technicians to work on complex new systems.